How to enable Agentforce in Salesforce environment. I'll give you this link in the description. Click on this link. You'll be taken to an org which already have Agentforce setup. Once you click on that link, this screen will show up. Click on a checkbox. You will receive an email on your official email ID. Sometimes it takes time to receive that email. Once you have that enabled or get set up, what you have to do is your org will look like this, Coral Cloud Resort. You'll have Agentforce icon here, but when you click on this, nothing will happen. So for that, what we have to do is we have to enable it. Let's go to the setup. Two things we have to do here to enable it. One is search Einstein Setup. Go to Einstein Setup and then enable it. So this will set the feature of enhancing your Salesforce data with generative AI to create relative and customized experience for your user. Second is we have to do Agentforce. You can go to agents, actually search agents, and in this case you have to go to Agentforce. Help your employee accomplish key businesses. Enable this. Now you will see it will show you two default agents. One of them is your Coral Cloud agent, which is a digital channel. Another one is your service agent. So this is how you can create multiple agents. Even you have a button on the top where you create multiple type of agents. For now, third step we have to do is, if I go to the Coral Cloud agent, I just need to activate it to be seen on my home screen. Because if I go now on the home screen, I refresh it, still we have an Einstein icon being shown. This will enable my Agentforce, but I'll see an error at the bottom of it. When I refresh it, same will be shown because my Agentforce, the Coral Cloud agent, is not enabled. If I go inside that, open in builder, so this is my agent builder screen. I can here test it that this everything is working fine. For you is you need to simply activate it, but let's see how it's working. Hello, how I can assist you today? Okay, can you give me count of open cases? So this is what the AI is working on the behind the scene. Sorry, I cannot assist with that. If you have any other questions, okay, let's see how many cases in the org. So let's see how many total case you have in the org. Let's ask a generic questions. How much? Let's do that way. Okay, so once I activate, go back to the home screen, I refresh it, so you will see that Agentforce is active. Obviously it need, okay, let's refresh it again. Actually, let's see, this is activated. Let's do Einstein Copilot and let's activate it because this is internal to the system. Open in builder again. So Einstein Copilot will give you the answer. How many? Because that is for the digital channel experience cloud. We were using the wrong agent. It was not trained on the topics. So this is the right agent. So there are currently 28 cases in the organization. Let's do the activation. Now go to the home screen, refresh this one, and you will see the yes. So our Agentforce is active. And if I ask the same question here, how many cases we have which open? Let's change our question, but anyhow, I just want to show you how this works. There are 5 open cases. So this is how Agentforce Copilot works. Type of Copilot, type of agent works under the umbrella of Agentforce, and we have activated in the org. Thank you for watching this video. Share your comments and thoughts. We'll make more valuable videos on Agentforce in future. Thank you.